Welcome back, guys. Today I am gonna show you how to make a thread winder, which is very easy to make and very fun. Okay, let's begin. Okay, guys, here you can take a look of what we need for our machine, like materials, apparatus. Here you can see we need a Duracell battery. You can take any cell, but it should be 9 volt. You can even take 11 volt. Here I have attached a switcher to it already, so you can attach it. Switcher is a thing which connects wires and the battery. Okay, you can take DC motor here. A look of it. The next, and scroll, empty scroll. I mean any cylinder like thing. It's not only scroll, you can replace it with any cylinder thing. Okay, it should be empty and it should be strong. Next, octane pen stop. You all know the octane pen, I think. Okay, you should take out the top. And this is just a normal thread ball. You can replace it with normal thread even. Okay, let's start. Okay, take that our so-called empty scroll and the octane pen stop. You should fix that octane pen stop in that scroll. I mean that hollow space. Okay? Try to fix it. Yeah, it's done. Okay guys, now we need a DC motor. You can see we should fix the DC motor stop in octane pen's top. You can see how it can be done. I have attached it by glue gun, by glue stick. Okay, I have attached it in and out. Okay, you can see. Here you can also attach like this with in your motor and your pen. We can take a blade because to clean the extra stuff between the motor and the pen. Okay, you can clean it smoothly. You can clear it, you can cross it, you can do anything. Okay, it's done. The half of the part is finished. It's experiment time. Take the motor, our 9 volt, and you can see the hooks. I made the wire like a hook. You should also make your wire like a hook by which it stucks very good. You can see here. And insert the hooks of the wires into the holes of the DC motor. Attach them both, and you can see the motor works, our machine works. Pretty good. But by these rotations, our intention of making this machine is not fulfilled. Okay, let's start our intention. Take the thread ball and take the thread, and only some of the thread you can tie to the scroll, empty one, by which it can pick up. Should give a small startup, then it will pick up and then it will run like anything. Okay, tie it. Slowly, carefully. Here you need to take a precaution. The precaution is the level of the thread and the level of our scroll should be same. If the level changes or if the level disturbs, the thread will be tied somewhere else. Let's start our experiment. We are gonna see the level of the thread and the scroll. We are gonna cue that hook wires into the holes of the DC motor and start up the machine. I think it's not that so big machine. Okay, it's rotating. It started. You can see the thread is getting tied up. It might be stopped sometimes. You can do soldering for it. But in this video I wanna show without soldering. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Like, share, subscribe.